Petrol engine connecting rod. The main parts here are the connecting rod, the cover, distance pieces, varying brasses and the fasteners. The stud used to join the connecting rod with the cover is removed by first removing the split pin, the slotted nut and the washer. The cover is removed, followed by the distance pieces along with the fastening stud. The small end bush and the bearing brasses are finally disassembled. Note the projection in the cover carrying a small hole which acts as the lubricating oil passage leading to the brasses.